Hey everybody, how you doing? So, did a little bit of thinking. This is super healthy. I'm telling you, super healthy juice. Some of your childhood favorites? Nah, probably not. So we have some kale. Yes, kale. Red apples, carrots, Brussels sprouts, pears, blueberries, garlic, you bet, and lime. Now it might not look the greatest, but this is super, super awesome. I will chat with you at the end of the video. Check it out. I know, it doesn't look the greatest, does it? But, you know, you should know by now it's super healthy. Everything probably smells like kale. You do taste quite a few ingredients. Garlic, you can taste, like that's that kick after about 10 seconds. But, you know, here we go. I always do that first full glass, regardless of what it smells like or tastes like. So far, it's been good. Everything kind of balances out. Make sure, though, you use a strainer. Use your strainer. Look at that. Delicious. I already got some ideas for the next one. So good luck. Leave comments if you can. Thumbs up. Hey, if not, it's all good. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have an awesome day. And remember, if you do want to leave a comment or a thumbs up, you have to log into your Google account. Chat later. Check out these ingredients.